Welcome. This video provides an overview of the bank account analysis tabs and explains how private lenders analyze bank statements. After analysis, the report summary is displayed by default. Here you can view basic bank account details such as the account holder, account number, and statement period. Moving to the Overview tab, you'll see key metrics, including the Precisa score, volatility score, and average monthly balance. In the Overview tab, this chart displays the average monthly balance throughout the statement period, highlighting fluctuations and the overall trend in the account balance. Here you can compare monthly deposits and withdrawals. This visual helps in assessing the cash flow patterns of the account. Moving to the Irregularities tab, you can review the types and number of detected incidents, such as suspicious e-statements, round number tax payments, and ATM withdrawals above a specified limit. The Cash Flow tab provides a monthly breakdown of cash inflows, outflows, and net cash flow. It also includes the average monthly balance and the number of different transaction types. You can see the cumulative, quarterly, and financial year summaries of cash flow, providing a broader perspective on the account's performance over different periods. Under the Bounce Checks section, the platform categorizes and lists inward, outward, and same-day bounce checks for easy review. Expanding the sections, we can see the detailed transactions for inward and outward bounce checks, including transaction dates, amounts, and return reasons. Similarly, the details for same-day checks are displayed, providing insights into these specific transactions. The Loans tab displays loan-related transactions, including start and end dates, counterparties, debit and credit amounts, the number of transactions, and missed payments. The Loan Analysis section provides a breakdown of each loan, including the lender, credit and debit amounts, EMI details, and whether an EMI obligation exists. This section displays repayment details, including EMI paid, EMI bounce count, total EMI amount paid, average previous day balance, and monthly EMI payments. The Recurring Deposits tab lists all identified recurring deposit transactions, including the amount, transaction count, payment interval, and any missed payments. Finally, the Recurring Payments tab displays regular outgoing payments, including start and end dates, counterparties, payment amounts, frequency, and the number of missed payments. For a detailed demo or if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.